many times, but wearing black on black on black at night, doing some stretches, getting those, you know, the growing stretch, because maybe he's about to go run away from the cops. He's got to get prepped and ready, you know. All right, so this is going to be a MotoStars real quick, straight up compilation. I'm going to be talking about what's happening with Mr. V-Rod right here. BMW rider was not too happy getting flipped off for riding the carpool lane with no passenger. Okay.
What's wrong with me?
He's not. What? Okay, so what we don't do here is mainly focus on, or what we don't do here is focus on road rage stuff.
When did I flip you off?
Don't really care too much. Really don't care too much. So here's the thing. We're just going to go ahead and skip it. Mr. V-Rod, I've seen you in these videos quite a bit. Let's just go ahead and be a little calmer next time. Non-issue. So here we go. Wolf. Looks like the ground is a little bit wet.
Plus in this situation, the driver didn't give him a chance to react.
Okay, so the driver did not give him a chance to react. Okay, just because you can't, don't try to take the spot. It says keep clear. It says keep clear, and I know it's for those riders, or I'm sorry, those drivers in the main thoroughfare right there. But that person did not want to be there anymore. So you just got to be careful. Put yourself in a better position for safety, which is, you know, obviously the planning part. Okay, we should have located that as a hazard. All right, so thankfully his fender is pulled back right there, so it's not going to hit the fender, but you got to watch out for the frame. I mean, not the frame, but the rim. See how we're doing it live, nonstop on Fridays at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time? Thankfully, it didn't damage the rim. That's where it could really happen. All right, so always be aware of your surroundings and try to predict the intentions of other drivers. Let me get the pen out so we can actually play around with that. Do I have the... Yep, the pen looks great. Okay, so pay attention. Watch out for anybody pulling out. Side of the vehicle right there. It's going to be live. I can't pause it, so there we go. Good job with the orange stage maneuver, which is going to be him being prepared for those intersections, and he just rolled off the throttle. Okay, T-show stoppa. Here we go. So we're going to get into that blind spot. Watch. And then this lane right here is going a little too slow for this person's taste, and they're going to come out this way. And that's a common thing. That's a pattern that we see all the time. So be very careful with these patterns. You did a great job with progressive brake pressure, or even rolling off the throttle, so you're using some engine braking. I usually don't get as mad, but I got rendered 2 months ago, and I just got triggered. So 2 months ago, so a little bit of PTSD going on. That guy's really far away, but remember, GoPros, it's a lot closer than it appears, right? So if you're getting this type of agitation, this is a good time to really think, okay, so maybe I'm not really ready to ride in this type of environment. Getting a little upset. Remember, you want to be a smart rider and acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. He is not wearing any gear, so if you are concerned about getting injured, killed, or whatever on the motorcycle, please wear some gear. It is that safety net that a trapeze artist, you know, I like using that. But it really is personal protective equipment.
And you got a kid in the car, dude? Come on.
The kid is safe because probably in a car seat, got seat belts, crumple zone, roll cage, airbags. You don't. All right, so Dresh, hey.
Off the bike and getting rid of...
I'm trying to talk here. MotoStars.
Especially
I'm trying to talk.
Conditions turns out not to be...
MotoStars, stop. I'm trying to talk. Sit back down. All right, here we go. So you got some rain droplets on the GoPro, so that means the road is wet. So oh, there's some loss of traction. That is what you call a high side crash. So if you want to pause it, go ahead and pause it for there so you can read it. But there's a high side crash. Thankfully, nothing too crazy because he's walking around, so I'm not too concerned about that. He is doing well. He's got full gear. The bike is just going to be damaged. Let's see if he can ride it home. Is he going to pick it up? There, good job picking it up. We do have a video on that on Motorcycle Training Concepts on how to pick it up. He did a great job. Probably watched it. Kalanio CCCCCC, that's his name. I don't know. All right, so big open area, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle right there. Okay, go ahead and adapt to it. Because remember, when you plan, you have to position for safety, locate it, and all he did was adapt to a different lane position. I know there's a bunch of letterings and stuff. I clipped this dude's mirror with mine when lane filtering this morning. Doing very, very slow lane filtering. At this point, just kind of sit there. If it's too, you know, it's too close and it's not, you don't have enough room, just kind of, just sit back.
All right.
Yep, good. I'm glad he apologized. Put it back, put it back.
Man.
Oh, she's upset. He's upset. Hey, it's okay. Just apologize. Let them have it. Hey, let them have it. Cool Breeze Rider, how you doing? Send me a message. Remember, we talked about it. Oh, came across a car crash? No? I was about to say he needs to rescue this person, but we don't look like we need it. It's just more like a bunch of dum-dums. Don't get in front of other vehicles, though. You could have went around the right. Okay, that would have been a little bit easier. Anonymous reports. Whoa. Nice little rev bomb. It's not going to do anything, really. It's just going to get you on moto stars. Watch out in front of you. Watch out position. Okay, this is an orange stage area, so you have to watch out for that. Momet. It's Momet.
Reaction from
Good position. See the line of sight?
fine and certainly.
Great line of sight right there. Whoa, uncommon thing in a common situation. We're braking. Good job with that emergency braking. We did some really good progressive braking. That's what I was trying to get at. Don't get, he can't, you're going to have him back up in the, what are we doing, Moto Momet? Stop getting in, let him go forward. It's so much more dangerous to go backwards in the middle of traffic. Oh my gosh. Motostars, what are we doing here? Why do we have people like this on your channel? Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, freecom, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you're gonna get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Man, jeez. All right, nighttime, low visibility. Gotta watch out for that. Got sirens. Uh-oh. Somebody is extremely intoxicated with whatever substance. I have seen that many times, but wearing black on black at night, doing some stretches, getting those, the growing stretch, because maybe he's about to go run away from the cops. He's got to get prepped and ready. You know, lions do stretch right before chasing a gazelle. Or is it the other way? Anyways, True Bowen, here we go. Lost his GoPro. Okay. We got a ram mount, not a rock form. I know some of you guys don't like that. Great swerve, by the way. I don't know if we were going too fast for the flow of traffic, because it looks like we are kind of keeping up with the cars up ahead. Actually, no, we're catching up quite a bit. Now we're maintaining good flow. Did a good job with that swerve. Very good job. That happens quite a bit. People kind of pull out. The problem is it's going to be that inattentional blindness. A lot of drivers don't know how fast you're going, so there's motion-induced blindness. But that right there, they're not paying attention.
What's up?
Brian636, hey, how you doing?
You're fine.
Brian636 is in the chat. Hey, this is a straight up no pause video, so you just got a shout out on one of our videos. Hey, doggy. Oh, don't do that. Dog, look at the ears. You know how... Some dogs don't like noise. My dog hates noise. Oh, that's stress. That is stress. Some dog... Oh! I'm not going to say he deserved it. But... Hey, you did that to a dog. Alright, so Allison MV93.
Not focused enough on the road, he's too late to notice cars braking in front of him.
Thank you, Motostars. Whoa! Lost a little traction because we locked up that rear brake probably. Not paying attention. Didn't do a good plan. We didn't locate this potential hazard. You know, we got brake lights. We have intersections coming up. We should have been in orange stage, prepped and ready for this. Alright? Should have been prepped and ready. It's okay. Maybe a little bit of, white staged. Maybe a little bit white staged. I think so. Alright, we're moving on. These things won't move. Get out of here. There you go, white stage. So, sun in the eyes. Okay, we have a low visibility issue. Could not see that in time. Ooh, the growing and the pelvis right there going up and over into the handlebars and the gas tank. It's a no bueno situation. All right, so we got water on the screen. Okay, watch out. That person's turning left. Brake lights, brake lights, brake lights. Go to the right. Position better, position better, position. Oh, shoot. My bad. I'm not there, so I couldn't see it. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Did a good job with his progressive braking. DM motorcycles, so we're looking like we're trying to get a good line of sight right now. We have a good line of sight. We can go around brake lights. That guy can't drive. We're going to pass on a double yellow. Not a good spot to do so. Hey, you know what? We are not a smart rider in that situation. We did not seek and recognize this hazardous situation. Okay, this is an orange stage because you have... Where are we going? Hey, you know what? Found an escape path. We found it. Where's the escape path button? Where's the escape? Oh, thank you.
God. Oh, man.
Did a good job. Found an escape path onto the brick.
Roundabouts, they'll kill you.
If you're not paying attention, they will. Roundabouts and intersections are automatic orange stage. You specifically identified that threat. Okay, so we're filming with a potato, and we're getting to here a Toyota Tacoma. Okay, oh, curb check. Just double checking, making sure it's there. Not a big deal. We got an air horn. You know what? Well, no. I said I wasn't going to pause it, but I am. Here's the thing. Let's look at this. We're going to go back to this. Right, Kevin Ward, welcome, rookie member. You're supposed to wait. Just wait. That person was already in the intersection. That one I agree with. That was the side of the vehicle. Shouldn't have done that. But that other spot, you should have waited. You just want to use your new horn, huh? You want to use your new horn again, huh? Are we just here for the new horn? Speed limit 45 downhill, run a bit over. Hey, not a big deal. You know, you did that probably yourself a few times. Not a big deal. Probably did not see you looking around for parking spots. All right, slow MT, how we doing? We're going to get into a blind spot. There is a turn signal. Did not want to go right. So once you see that, let them in, okay? Let them in. Don't just, you know, try to force them to go take that right turn. Total disintegration. What's going to happen here? All right. All right, so we're going to be turning right. Are we paying attention to what we're doing? Yes, we are, but that truck is not. Good job with your positioning for safety. I believe that is the last video. Yes, thanks for watching, Moto Stars. You know what? I had a great time. Doing that. So, Moto Stars, go ahead and grab yourself a donut. I appreciate you putting these videos together so we can utilize this in the classroom. I'll be seeing you guys around. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.